Okay, sunod na step, apply mo siya dito. No? So, 4.5 degrees east, which is minus. So, ang sagot is 1, ano? Can anyone minus if? Tapos mo muna, i-subtract 4.1 degrees. Sunod. 168. And then, di pa. 4.5 degrees is, plus na to So, tandaan nyo west dito plus, east minus. Dito west minus, east plus. Okay, sa mo plus. So, 168.6 degrees, variation 0.6 degrees, and 168 degrees.
May ganun pa pala, sir.
What?
Di ba pala ako tapos, sir?
Oo. Step is yung compass error. So, variation is 0.6 degrees west. Deviation is 4.5 degrees east. Different name, minus. So, ang sagot is 3.9 degrees east. Okay, compass error.